In an era of artificial intelligence, technical skills are no longer enough. To truly future-proof our children, we must develop their human intelligence, or HI for short. Take our robot dance project. It's not just about coding, it's about computational thinking, a systematic way of solving problems used by computer scientists. When the robot fails, our children don't give up. They debug, they persevere, and they collaborate. These are the life skills that matter.
Do you see a pattern here?
In our 3D game project, we bridge the physical and virtual worlds. By transferring physical structures into digital environments, children learn to navigate the complexity of the future landscape, a vital future skill.
Yes, it is going to be doing it level by level, where they will be using physical 3D materials first. They will proceed on to the virtual, which is building a model on the iPad. And that is one of the most challenging, but it is also one of the most fun activities for them.
This rigor is why ChildFirst has been the overall winner of the National Robotics Competition for 3 consecutive years, 2023, 2024, and 2025. We prepare them with the AI skills to command the machines and the human intelligence, teamwork, communication, and resilience that no machine can ever replicate. This unique synthesis has been featured by CNN, Channel News Asia, and the Straits Times as a blueprint for the future of education. I've detailed our AI plus HI framework in my 2026 blueprint. Download it now to prepare your child for the world of tomorrow.